Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. So we've seen this girl before, and here she is again. So watch this.
That's my sweetheart. Yes, we are going to New York. Watch out. Yes.
Wow.
See that? Don't worry, I'm going with you.
Really?
Yes.
My heart.
Oh Jesus! No, heart, please calm down. I'm here for you.
And you know, don't ask me if I have banana in my pocket.
Jesus!
No, it's only because I'm happy to see her.
You see? So watch out. This is my new book. You'll see us on social media everywhere. You know, our wedding day is coming very soon. Watch out and save the date. Kiss, kiss. Mwah. Hey, why are you videoing me? Okay, guys, as you know, this is Rosemont Brown, and you know me, I don't do kiddings. This is all for him, and he's taking me straight to New York City. Watch out for us. Caesar, say something to my phone.
Hey, Big Slick Willie here. We are rolling, man. Look at this. Look at this. This right here is going to Texas. Texas style, like the hot tamales, full of spice.
I you. I'm going to New York City, Texas. Watch out. Oh no, I'll give you the realize, the gist. My waist is really doing jobs and it's taking me far. I'm going places. Kiss, kiss.
So the last time we met this girl, it was in a different video that I did, and I'll put that video in the link in the description. I'll put the link of that video in the description. So the last time we met this girl, it was with a different man, but a similar story. So with that man, as with this man, she was doing all this gyrating that she's doing now, and the storyline was the same. So the guy obviously is promising a trip to America to get what he wants, and we all know what he wants, and she obviously is clinging on to that guy who is a white guy, an Oyinbo guy, because obviously she sees that as a ticket to America. So you have this elderly Oyinbo guy who has found himself in Africa, in Ghana, people are saying, with this nice looking girl. So he's getting what he wants, a nice young girl giving him attention, and she now is aspiring to what she wants, seeing him as the ticket to that. But how does it play out? Well, she's tried it once with one other fella, that didn't work out clearly, and then she's trying it out with this guy now. How would that work out? That remains to be seen. But New York is what her heart is set on, but New York though seems a distant away, and then this guy though, it doesn't strike me as the guy that will take her to New York. So I'm expecting another video of this girl to pop up with yet another Oyinbo guy, her gyrating and slithering on him as well with the same routine. So there you have it, a fun little video of an ambitious girl wanting to get out of her circumstances and make it to America. So what says you? Conversations in the comment section. Come join me, let's have a giggle about this. But before you come join me to have a giggle about this, click on the red subscribe button so it goes gray, the bell button so you are notified as soon as I drop a video. Once you've done both, then come join me in the comment section. Let's see what we're making of this. So I'll leave you here, meet you there, but here I say peace.